What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because NIO is very well documented on this channel, and also make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. When you open up your new brokerage account, you'll receive 2 free stocks. All new US investors will receive 4 total free stocks, including those 2 free stocks valued up to $3,700 when they make a deposit of $100. And lastly, cryptocurrency is now available on WeBull, so you can trade cryptocurrency with 0 commissions. So today we're going to be talking about NIO. It's currently 7:26 p.m. Eastern time here in Michigan, and the stock is currently trading at $46.14, up 4.72% for the day, and up 0.26% in the after hours. So there's some huge catalysts up ahead for NIO in my opinion. There's the December delivery numbers, and there's NIO Day, of course, on January 9th. So let's talk about the December delivery numbers first. You might be thinking, why would the December delivery numbers be so important? You know, NIO's been making record deliveries pretty much month after month after month. Well, there's a few reasons here, and we're going to get into that in today's video. So it's true, NIO's delivery numbers have been an upward trajectory since pretty much the end of the spring. December is going to be a pretty big month for NIO because with it being in Q4, the automotive business is cyclical, and December is usually a really good month for the automotive industry. That's number one. And number two is that NIO gave us guidance during their Q3 earnings call of 16,500 to 17,000 vehicles. October to the end of December makes up Q4, and in October NIO delivered 5,055 vehicles, and in November they delivered 5,291 vehicles. Now, November wasn't very exciting, even though it was a record delivery number, because the month-over-month growth wasn't that much. So far, as of November, NIO is at 10,346 vehicles for the quarter. So NIO's got a gap to fill for December. And remember, I did a video talking about Deutsche Bank analyst, the NIO analyst at Deutsche Bank, Edison Yu, his expectations for their Q4 deliveries. He expects them to deliver 15,000 vehicles. That's his guess. So he actually doesn't think that they will hit guidance. That 15,000 vehicles is 1,500 units short of guidance. If NIO wants to hit guidance in Q4, they'll have to deliver a minimum of 6,154 vehicles. So I think that NIO actually does hit guidance in December, and they actually come out and shock the market for their best month ever in terms of deliveries, and obviously their best quarter in terms of delivery. So the next and last topic that I want to discuss here today is NIO Day. So I've been talking about NIO Day since the early days of this channel. Those videos are out there, so if you haven't seen them, I recommend that you go back and check them. Kind of to give you my perspective on NIO Day and looking forward into January 9th. In 2019, I remember that the stock actually took off after NIO Day. I was invested. I remember the share price going from around $2.40 to $3.80 something cents. I can't remember exactly, but this is when they announced the EC6. When they announced the EC6, the market's reaction to it was positive. But anyhow, it's super important that I say that the past does not dictate the present. And then as far as NIO Day this year, a lot of the stuff that they're supposed to be rolling out to us has already been announced. So investors are already expecting a lot of that stuff. So we'll see if the public is really aware of everything, or if there's any crazy twists that NIO has planned for us, or whatever they have up their sleeve for NIO Day 2020, which is going to be January 9th, 2021. And we'll also see the market's reaction to it, but let's recap what we know so far. Historically, NIO tends to release the new model of their vehicles on NIO Day. Last year was the EC6. They've already announced to us that they would be revealing their first sedan this year on NIO Day. A lot of people are speculating that it will be kind of the ET7 concept car that they've showed us in the past. They said that they didn't want to release that car right away, or release a car right away, until they could get their new platform out there. Well, their new platform is here. But I believe that sedans are going to be an integral part of NIO's growth over the years. NIO currently does not offer a sedan, and as of right now, sedans are selling more than SUVs in China. I did a video on this. I did some research on that. It's on this channel. Make sure you check that out. There's a lot of important information that I think about in there. But as of today, NIO has three SUV models, the ES6, the ES8, and the EC6, all of which made the top 10 pure electric SUV in China list. Now, on that list, the ES6 is number 1, the ES8 is number 2, and this of course is according to the Chinese vehicle insurance registration numbers. But once again, check out that video that I did, because I believe that NIO's strategy when it came to kind of showing that they're king in the pure electric SUV market, and then moving over to the sedan where everyone wants to start and everyone wants to compete in an already competitive industry. I believe that's an amazing strategy, and I believe that we're kind of reaping the benefits of that as shareholders. Sometimes I get off topic, but a sedan is a big deal to me, and NIO is also releasing their 150 kilowatt hour battery pack. This battery pack is expected to have 900 kilometers of range, which equates to about 560 miles, which is huge. This would be a big step forward. A battery like that wouldn't have to be charged as often, and it could be swapped out to give NIO users range very quickly. So speaking of battery swapping, NIO is also expected to announce their V2 battery swapping system. CEO William Li has already said in the past that the V2 battery swapping system would actually help in cutting cost. So that's going to be important for the business overall and definitely affect their bottom line. And briefly, I mentioned the second generation driving platform. It's going to be called NT 2.0, and that will be announced as well on NIO Day. So I want to know what you guys think about the December delivery numbers, and I want to know what you think about NIO Day and how are you looking at it as an investor. Obviously, I'm a long-term investor. Whatever happens in the short term with NIO to me is fine. It's not a stock that I am actively trading. But I want to know what you guys think. Leave me a comment down below. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll link the free Discord in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.